Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, a beautiful tofu chicken salad. Takes a little while, a bit of prepping, but it's really worth it. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at our tofu. Now what I've done with this tofu, it's already fried. If you want to know how to prepare this properly, I'll leave a video link at the end. But basically, yeah, you get it in a packet, try and use a nice firm one, get it into some oil. You can shallow or deep fry it for like 3 minutes, get a little bit of colour on it, and then inside it'll be nice and white and soft. So yeah, we're not going to spend time doing that. Check out the video at the end. And again, with the chicken, we're not going to go through this whole process. I've got some chicken breasts. I boiled them in some water with some salt for about, 7 or 8 minutes. Let them cool down, and then I've shredded it off. We're not obviously going to use that amount. We're going to use just some of this. But yeah, so we've seen the tofu, we've seen the chicken prepped up. Let's get moving. Okay, so we've seen the tofu, we've seen the chicken. We're now going to make the peanut sauce. What we've got here is 1 cup of coconut milk. We've got 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can use smooth or crunchy. This is crunchy. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm using a light one. And 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Fish sauce is very salty, be very careful with it. Very simply, what we're going to do is we're going to heat the coconut milk and then put these guys in. You heat it because it helps really melt the peanut butter. Very, very simple. Okay, so I've got the bowl here, mixing bowl, and I've got our cup of coconut milk in there. It doesn't have to be boiling, just hot. We're going to drop in fish sauce and soy sauce, and then the peanut butter. And simply what you do is just work this in, and the heat from the coconut milk is going to melt the peanut butter, and then you've got yourself a really beautiful, nice little sauce. I'll be back in about 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, and there you go. Now what we've made is quite a thin dressing because we're going to mix this all together. If you want it to sit on top and be more like a kind of actual dipping sauce, double up on the peanut butter. So go 1 cup milk to like 4 tablespoons of peanut butter, and it'll be nice and thick. This is more of a peanut dressing. Okay, so we're nearly there now. So we've seen the chicken, we've seen the tofu, we've seen the peanut dressing. These are the vegetable selection that I'm putting in today. Let's take a look. And I've got bean sprouts, white cabbage, bell peppers, cucumber, carrots, onion, celery, cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And I've got some chili there. Now that chili's not crazy hot. It's got a bit of a kick to it, but it's not super mind-blowing hot. What we're going to do is we're going to mix all of this with our chicken, with our tofu, and then add our dressing. So you're going to need obviously a large mixing bowl, and as you can see I've got my bean sprouts and my cabbage in. Let's add our bell peppers. Everything's cut nice and thin and small as well. Let's add our cilantro or coriander. Let's add our sliced onion. You can put spring onions if you want. I actually like this onion in there. Let's put in our celery, the carrots, which are really nice and thin, beautiful. Cucumber, really thin. Those chilies, like I say, they're not crazy hot, those chilies, but got a bit of a kick, but not madness. We're then going to put in our shredded chicken. We're going to add our tofu, and then I'm going to give that a big old mix up. So as you can see, that's got a lovely mix on it. I'm going to add now black pepper. I'm not going to add salt because we've got that fish sauce in there. Then what we're going to do, we're going to pour over our peanut coconut dressing, and again give it 1 more mix, and it's done. Okay, and there you go. Really, really beautiful. I've just topped that off with some sesame seeds. You can put some green onions on there if you wanted. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.